Hey, welcome friends. In this video, I will be talking about which books you have to follow for your chemistry. Like if you are a BSc first year student, or if you are preparing for competitive exams like NET or GATE or JAM, which books you have to follow. So first of all, for organic chemistry, the book I would suggest you first is Clayden. So if you are planning to buy one book for your organic chemistry, it should be Clayden. You must have the book because this book is very important. When you read the book, you will feel like it is not a book, someone is teaching you. So it is like a teacher. So if you are planning for only one book, you should have Clayden, right? And every chapters of this book is very important, so you should read the book thoroughly. Okay, and after Clayden, one book you should have is Peter Sykes. The name of the book is the guidebook to the mechanism in organic chemistry, right? So this book is the oldest book in organic reaction mechanism. So uh, the language of the book is little tough, but you should read the book because it is a very good book. And if you are a chemistry student, you must read it. Now after that, the third book I would suggest you, the Carruthers book, right? The reason for having this book is that in CSIR exam or GATE exam or even JAM exam, they give you the questions directly from the book, like copy paste. So but the bad point about this book is that this book doesn't give all the examples with proper explanation. It only give a lots of examples. And this book is good for you if you are either good in mugging up, or if your basic is very strong, then you can read the book. But for your competitive exam, this book is one of the essential book, right? After that, for your stereochemistry, you can refer to the Nasipuri book. Okay, this is a very good book for stereochemistry. And you shouldn't read the full book, but if you start reading the book, you will be understanding what topics you have to read, like the configuration, conformation, or some of the reactions. You don't have to read that cotton effect or other high level things. If you look at the syllabus of the CSI exam or other your BSc university syllabus, then also you can find out which things you have to read, right? Then after that, for spectroscopy, you can read Pavia, but this is a little tough book. Then you can read William Kemp also for spectroscopy. So these are the books, but again, all the things, this spectroscopy, stereochemistry, all are given in Clayden. You can, if you read Clayden, you will get all the things. But these are the specialized book for this. Then you can read that. And for your pericyclic reaction, you can read the book by Gilchrist and Storr, and also a book by Fleming also. So after that, you can read the Sundberg book, which is very good for hydroboration reaction, and all other reactions are given there. So these are the reference book. So the three books which you must have is Clayden, Carruthers, and Nasipuri. Okay, so these three books are very essential for your competitive exams and for any preparation. After that, you can look for these other books. Okay, so this is your organic chemistry. Now when we talk about inorganic chemistry, the one book you must have like Clayden is your Hui. Now the Hui is more important because the book is conceptually very good. All the things are given in a very good way. You will love to read the book, as well as questions come directly from this book in CSI exam or GATE exam. So you don't miss the book. You have to read the book thoroughly from beginning to end, right? And particularly the chapter of bioinorganic chemistry, which is given in Hui, if you read the chapter fully, you don't need to read any other book. Okay, so this is a very good book. You should always read the book. And after that, you can read your Crabtree book for your organometallic chemistry. This is good book. And these two books are enough for inorganic. And if you want to read for main group chemistry, you can read the book by Housecraft and Catherine. Again, from this book also they give direct questions from in the NET exam or GATE exam, right? So these three books are more than enough for your competitive exam preparation. If you are interested more in inorganic chemistry, then you can read your Arcel Kotz book, which is slightly high level book, but if you are interested you can read, and your FA Cotton, or some other books like BN Figis for your coordination compounds. There are many books are given, and some people refer to the Shiva Atkins book, but I don't like the book. If you are interested, you can read, but this is not essential. Okay, so this is your inorganic. Now for physical. For physical, the book you must have is Castellan. This book is very good for thermodynamics. The explanation in this book is awesome, so you should read it. Next, you for quantum you can have Mercury Simon book. That is a very standard book for quantum. But again, you can refer to the A.K. Chandra quantum chemistry book, because this is an Indian writer book, but it is a very good book. All the things are given in a compact way for your competitive exam preparation. This is very good, and the chapter on operator, it is given in elegant way, so you can read that book. And after that you should have a book for your numerical problem practice, because physical competitive exams, the questions from physical are like you have to solve a lots of numerical problems, and for that you should have a good problem book, and that you can refer to Rishikesh Chatterjee or Amalendu Ghoshal's book. After that you can read any Indian writers book like KL Kapoor or other. So these are the books you have to read for your chemistry, full chemistry preparation. Either you are reading in BSc or MSc, or preparing for NET exam. Now, finally, I would like to sum up the video with referring the 6 important books which you must have for your competitive exam preparation. So first one is Claydon. Then from organic, first one is Claydon, Caruthers, and your Nasipuri book. Okay, these three you must have. After that, for inorganic, you should have Hui and your Crabtree. Okay, so these two books. And from physical, you should have the Castellan and your A.K. Chandra or Mercury Simon, any of the two you should have. And another book you should have, that is problem on physical chemistry, like numerical problem, like by Amalendu Ghoshal or other any writer. And so these books will, if you follow this guideline, I I can say that you will do a very good score in your competitive exam, and also you will develop a good concept, right? So again, I'm saying that Claydon you must have. This book is like you don't think about organic chemistry without Claydon, right? You must have this book. And finally, you can have any 10 years question bank for your exam preparation, so that book you also need. So that's all. I hope this video will be helpful for you to your preparation. Thanks. Ball.